it's Katrina with Pate-Meadows, and it's been so cold here in Nashville that nobody's been spending time out on the porch. So I've taken the opportunity to spend more time here in Abby's room. And y'all will remember that I did her room with the cute little Claudine valance. That was one of the first videos that we did, and it had the little scalloped edges on it. Well, she got tired of the twin beds and wanted a single bed or a queen or something in here. But the room is kind of long and skinny, so we needed a smaller bed, and I just happened to have this full-size bed that was my husband's grandmother's in the other room, and we just switched everything. I put the twin beds in there so that when she has company they can sleep in there, and then she has a full-size bed in here. But the problem was I hated it because it was black, and you can see here that it was chipped and needed to be painted, and I didn't want to paint because that would require being outside in this cold weather. So I took the coverlet out of the other bedroom and the window treatments and cut them up and made these cute slip covers. I've seen these on Pinterest. You can do them so many different ways with the ties all the way around. You can do them with little tabs on them, but I just thought it looked better to do this little row of piping and do the band all the way down, and it just completely covered up that ugly bed. And I used the Aran valance pattern to cut out the shape on the bottom. You know, I've done that before on the tablecloths that are out on the porch. So I did her cute window treatments out of the Aran valance and made the long panels all out of this matelassé coverlet that I had left over. It was a king size. I think I may have had 2 of those, and just cut it up, and it looks so cute. So go to patemeadows.com and look through all the patterns and just think of all the possibilities you can have with the different shapes to cover up some old ugly piece of furniture that you've got.